I'ma roll another blunt, getting lost, I'm never found. Guess I'm never good enough for these bitches in my town. I don't really give a fuck, I'm a king like with my crown. Can't think about them all, cause it all hold me down. I done made it through the storm, I ain't talking NBA. Mama knew I'd be a star, mama knew it, I became. I got run up on the phone, said he touchdown in LA. I'ma get it how to get it, I ain't changing for the fake. And I put it on my mind.
We just playing, this is a joke. This is a joke.
I'm so done with you. I'm so done with you. I be so exhausted. You don't hold me down for the last time. Baby, I'ma own you.
What's up, YouTube? So right now I'm finna head to AutoZone to get two 6x9 speakers to replace my door speakers because they don't work anymore. So yeah, we at Best Buy, cuz. Alright, so I'm in here looking for car audio. But I also need a 9-volt battery. As y'all can hear, the sound probably sound different. It's because the battery died in my microphone. So yeah, here we go. This can't be right. Let's say Kenwood. Okay, I was say no. I'm a big Pioneer fan ever since I was a first-time driver. So Pioneer might be how I go. I heard Kicker a good brand. It's like 450 watts, good lord. I don't even think my radio really put out that much. Yeah, I'll get back to y'all when I figure something out. So the cord I'm looking for, I don't see it. Dang, man. It looks like the end of it like that, but I don't need it to HDMI, I need it to USB. I might have to just order one from Amazon, is what it's looking like. But I went with the Pioneers. Why is one battery $8? Nah, I'm gonna go to a gas station, cuz. Yeah, hell no. $8 for one battery? They done lost their mind. And it's not even rechargeable. Oh. Excuse my car, gotta clean it up. Out of the 3 items I needed, I got one. So I got my 6x9 speakers, Pioneer, the brand I wanted, and I'm not paying $8 plus for a 9-volt battery, so I'm just gonna go to like a gas station or something. Wash your fluid. I'm just gonna go to a gas station or something and find me a 9-volt battery, and yeah, I'm just gonna order the longer cord from Amazon. So go home and put these speakers in the door because it's looking on that they went out, and the only speakers that work up front are the 3 dashboard speakers. So yeah, I also need to stop and get some food, so I'm probably gonna go to Waffle House. All right, so I made what I like to call le boo boo. So door speakers are actually 6x9s. I don't know why I thought these were 6x9s, but these are 6.5s. But you know what? We're gonna make it work. Cause I feel like as long as I get one screw in, maybe 2, I can use a self-tapper. But as long as I get 1 or 2 in, the door panel itself will push against it and hold the rest of it in. That's the hope. So let's get started taking this door panel off. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm gonna go to the world's greatest teacher, YouTube. All right, so supposedly behind here, pop this off. Come on. Man, I feel like it ain't even, this ain't even screwed in. I ain't gotta pop that off. This one is. Hold on. This is why I need an extra flare head. Oh, I got it. Boom. Alright, sometimes you ain't got all the tools, but you can make stuff work. So, I got the drill bit thing from my drill. I know this is about a 1/4, so I found me a little 1/4 thing. Boom! It lock on there. Don't move, don't turn. But I can't find my little socket thing, plus I don't have an extension for it anyway, so I got me a T. Stick that in there. Boom! Don't move. Now I can use it with my ratchet. And I just put a bunch of random stuff together that don't go together, and I can get it out. Yeah, y'all see it? And that's off. Alright, let's move y'all to the side. Why is it so dark? Get brighter. Do something. Do something. Alright, pull that over. I'll get this off. There you go. Alright, got the door off. I'll get you right now. Yep. So, I can actually, come on. Yes. Boom. Take that off. Now, take this relief and put it on. One screw in. That screw in. That shouldn't move. Nah, that's definitely not moving. Alright, so this was supposed to be simple. Whoever was in here before obviously didn't know what they were doing. Alright, so that's one speaker in, wires cleaned up, everything worked. So now you just gotta put the door back on. What's up, YouTube? So, finna get ready to see if I can go find me a shop that can do me a front end alignment. The hardest thing for me to find with having a lowered car is a place that can do a front end alignment. In Mississippi, I knew of 2 or 3 places that were nearby that could, but out here in Georgia, I guess, I don't know. So I'm gonna go try to find one. Hopefully the shop I get my tires from could probably do it. If not, the guy told me there's another place in Rome, Georgia that could do it, but that's like 30 minutes from me, so yeah, we're gonna see if I can find me a shop that can do it. Alright, so tried the first spot. They told me no. They said that the little undercarriage thing was too high for my car, which looking at it, yeah, it was. So now I'm finna head to another place, so I don't have to drive all the way to Rome. He said it's a place on Austell Road called Butler Tires and Wheels that could do it because they have a machine that's on the ground. So that's where I'm headed to now. It's 15 minutes away. So yeah, we'll see how that one goes. Alright, so came to Butler and they can do it, but apparently my front tires don't have enough tread because the alignment machine does not connect to the rim, it actually connects to the tire. So, I'll back up here. So, basically, I have to get some more tires with more tread and then they'll be able to do it. But the fact of it is, I know there's a shop that can do it. So when I replace my 2 front tires, I will come back here and get it done, which won't be today because it's supposed to rain. And I haven't got the little vent protector, well, the vent thing that closes off the vents on the intake side. And I don't want to get caught in like a deep rain and then water get on my intake and blah, 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 blah. So yeah, that'll get done at a later time. So yeah, I really don't have anything planned to do today. So I don't know, this vlog might contain a couple of days of shit. It might just be random, but if this is the end of the vlog, y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment if that's something you'd like to do. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. All right, hey, people, I know y'all be seeing my car around. These little side bracket light thingy things here. If I could ask you to please refrain from stealing them, okay? You've stolen them off the other side twice and this side once, so yeah, I keep having to replace them. Shit. But I have a new one here, and yeah, I understand, you know, it's a common part to get lost. I'm gonna show you how not to lose it. What you want to do is the new one, you want to take it, right, and you want to get you some super glue, right? Okay, so you would think you would put the super glue on the little tabs here, but this is why you lose them, because this little tab is, you know, it's bullshit. Shout out Chrysler. This is bullshit. So what you want to do is around this little edge here, yeah, take you some super glue, put around the little edge. Don't put a lot, because if you ever have to take the bumper off, you know, this light has to come off first, and yeah, you don't want to break it taking it off. But to prevent you from losing it, what you want to do is get your little super glue right here. Put about a line here in the corners, and press it on and hold it. Make sure where you're pushing it on is clean. You see that's nice and clean. You want to make sure that's clean so it can have a good clean surface to press against and make a good proper seal, and you won't have to worry about losing it. But I know I haven't been losing mine, because there's been times I've parked my car. I look at my car every time I park it. You know, if you love your car, you look at it before you go into where you're going. And they were both there, and then I come out and I'm like, hey, my side marker's missing. So yeah, you know, just to, you know, if your side marker ever comes up missing, I promise you 80% chance it got stolen. But yeah, thank you, and we're gonna put this on. All right, so seriously, what I'm finna do now is these vents that are over my cold air intake, I'm finna seal this vent and this vent off, because I feel like if I drive my car in the rain or it sits in the rain, I'm gonna show y'all. The vents actually lead right to the intake, especially this one. The one behind it, not so much, but I have this breather filter here, and I want to keep that safe. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it out, and I'm gonna take some of this heat wrap and put it on top of this vent, and then push it back on, and that'll seal these two. That's really the only two I'm worried about. I might seal these two just to keep the electric components covered up, even though I don't see like a lot of water, but just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna seal these two for sure, and I might come back I don't know, I might seal these two, but these two for sure. So yeah. All right, boom. So what I did was I took some of the heat wrap, put it over this. It ain't going nowhere. Connected each piece of tape, so it's really just like one big piece, and that'll keep the moisture down. I'm not expecting like a whole lot of water to get put on there. And then what I did was, on this one vent, I put gold tape here on this one vent, but I'm probably gonna paint this black because it looked goofy as shit with gold tape right there. So I'm probably just gonna paint this tape black and leave the rest of the vents open, because I still want to keep the functionality of the hood, of putting the cold air in and getting the hot air out, and I don't want to block off too many vents. So yeah, I feel like that works out perfect. I actually feel more comfortable having this covered and having that covered. So it's 2 layers of protection on the air filter. I know they make, before y'all say anything, I know they make a box that you could buy, the blah 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 blah. I don't have that now. I will get it eventually, but for now, this will do. All right, so we back again. So I bought these hood pins, not realizing they were recessed, so they fit flush with the carbon fiber hood. So the way it works is, I already put these in. These go through the hood, through the top, but this little piece here sits inside of the hood. So I thought I was just gonna have to drill a hole, but I'm actually have to cut out where this fits into. So yeah, the scariest thing is cutting in the carbon fiber, but what I'm gonna have to do is go by the parts store, get a little Dremel saw so I can cut through the bottom of the hood, and then I can cut through the top. Yeah, let's go by the parts store. I also need to get some paint because I'm sure I'm not gonna leave these black like this matte black. I'm probably just gonna paint them like a gloss black, or if I can find a similar orange, I'll paint them orange. So yeah, let me go by the parts store. Alright, I got what I went to get. You ever go to the store for one thing and then you come out with like a million things? I ended up buying a shovel. Oh, alright. And a damn rake that I can't seem to get out. But yeah, so this to start the hole, this to connect the drill to the saw. Let's see how it works. All right, let me get the drill charged. Set y'all up here, man. Boom. All right. So the first hole I ain't really worried about. Let me get something to cover this up. All right, so this side came out good because it already started a little hole. Yeah, that's way wider. So what I could do is just start where this hole is, a little to the left actually of it, and then go all the way through. Same thing here. Lift up, use the hole I already got. Boom. Where that piece went, who knows? Okay. Boom. Hole. All right, hopefully I got it tight enough. Oh yeah. That cut easy. Just make sure. There we go. We got one in. That took way longer than what y'all think, cause so I need to drill the holes in to lock it down. But the reason I wanted the hood pins was because, yeah, I mean, it don't feel like it's finna break, but it's a crack clean through these two bars, and you know, if this breaks, then my hood goes right into my fucking face and breaks my windshield. So at least I know I got this point of contact still, this point of contact, and this point of contact. So makes me feel a whole lot safer, buddy. Oh shit. But yeah, I just gotta get used to the closing process because it's not perfectly in there, which, like I said, is fine. Because if it's hard to get open, or if it's hard to close, well, if it's hard to close, it's hard to get open. If it's hard to get open, that means a less chance of it fucking flying in my face. That's my logic anyway. So yeah.